Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Ellie and I post all things makeup and beauty related. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, feel free to hit that subscribe button, or you can wait until the end of this video and see how you feel then. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the November 2020 Lookfantastic beauty box. I don't know what is inside this box, but what I will say is they've definitely switched it up packaging wise. So if you want to see what we get inside the November 2020 Lookfantastic box, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Fireworks going off outside because it's bonfire night. So first things first, let's address it. The packaging has changed yet again. So we were getting this gorgeous peach packaging. Last month we seen this change to a midnight kind of blue shade. I may be lying, it might have been purple. I feel like it was blue, maybe that was glossy box. It definitely changed last month though to a deeper shade. And now we have this gorgeous cerise pink with the orange. I'm not mad, I'm liking this colour. And if we open this up, we have a booklet right here. This is going to tell us about the products inside, so that is really good. We get the December sneak peek. So it says the sneak peek for December. Lo and behold, we're all shocked here. We are getting I think it's now to Avant product again. Honestly, it's nothing against the brand, but we get these all the time, like nearly every month in one of the subscription boxes. And I said this last month, I'm so like done with getting this brand in subscription boxes. It's just everywhere and I can't deal anymore. It's the Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. It's 10ml. It says it's worth £98. I personally don't believe for a single second of my life that 10ml of product is worth £98, but we'll just go with it for the sake of what Lookfantastic is saying to us. It says 5 signs of aging and luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and eye bags for an overall more youthful glow. Let me just, before we dive into the box, there's a lot of background noise today. My mum is hoovering outside, so my apologies about that. It is bonfire night in the UK when I am filming. If you don't know about bonfire night, I've explained this in other videos. There's a guy called Guy Fawkes. There was Parliament. He was set up. He was gonna, you know, this whole thing about blowing up Parliament and whatnot. So now we celebrate bonfire nights. So it's bonfire night. Fireworks are going off. We are in lockdown take 2 as of midnight last night. So police are everywhere because people shouldn't be having fireworks displays right now. So police are out and about. Sirens are going crazy right now. So just it's a whole process. Please bear with me. This is the inside of the box. Is anyone else getting major summer vibes from this box in the middle of November? I mean, I'm all for it, but like, just straight off the bat, I'm going to say this looks predominantly skincare from what I can see. There's a lot of tubes in here. Now, one thing I will say that Lookfantastic always do is they give different variations to the boxes. So I can see straight off the bat from looking in the leaflet, there's like, you know, 1 or 2 different variations. So you guys may get something that I haven't in my box. So I'm going to just take out the first thing here. This is by a brand called Philip Kingsley. It says Pure Colour Frizz Fighting Gloss. And you get 20ml of product. Sorry, what is this? Okay, so yeah, you either will have got this one that I got, or you will have got the bodybuilding weightless shampoo and conditioner, so you may have got 2 of those together. These Philip Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft, silky and shiny. The Pure Colour Gloss is a conditioning heat protectant that improves colour vibrancy. Ooh, okay huns, I'm all about that life, we know this. Whilst the bodybuilding duo is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long lasting body and bounce. How to use the gloss: work a small amount through towel dried hair, focusing on the ends and styles as required. And for the shampoo and conditioner, if you did get that variation, it says lather shampoo into the scalp and rinse and follow with conditioner. I will definitely give that a go because I'm getting really into hair care at the moment. The next thing that we have is by a brand called This Works. It says Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum to perfect and help cover skin imperfections, and we get 30ml. What's this? Why does it say legs? So I think this is going to be like a BB cream or something for the legs. So you will have either got this one that I got, or you would have got the In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturiser and Primer in one. And if you did get that one, you would have got 15ml of products. So it says, feel pampered from head to toe with these This Works products. The Perfect Leg Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and D to deliver a sun-kissed glow to the body. Your In Transit Camera Close-Up is a mask, moisturiser and primer all in one, erasing signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. How to use the Perfect Leg Skin Miracle, tongue-tied there, sauce. Massage over dry skin, suitable to use over all of the body. In Transit Camera Close-Up, apply to cleanse skin until absorbed. So yeah, this is just going to give your legs basically a glowy finish, so something I will probably use on a night out, so I will keep that for when, you know, the world is normal, if that ever happens. Okay, the next product I believe is by a brand called Polar. It says Ice Pure Micellar Water with Arctic Cotton. Love me a good micellar water, so can never have too many. I only use the simple one, so I'll have to give this a go. Is it scented? I can't smell nothing from it. So we did get 50ml of product with that, and it says, harnessing the powers of Arctic Cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without over drying or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. How to use: apply all over the face with a cotton pad. Do not rinse for an even deeper cleanse. Follow with your favourite face wash. So yeah, I'll definitely use that. I love me a good micellar water. So the next thing we have in here is by a brand called Neobay. It says natural and organic, detox, unpolluted, oxygen light cream. It looks like this, and we get 50ml of product. Yeah, from what I can tell, there's no smell to this either, unless I just can't smell. So it says this lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin types. How to use: massage gently onto cleansed skin until absorbed. So yeah, it doesn't seem that there's a scent coming from that, so I think that might be fine for my skin. I do struggle sometimes with products if they're strongly scented, because I do have sensitive skin, but that one should be fine, so I'll definitely give that a go. This one isn't even in the booklet. This is just a little sample of the Scandal perfume by Jean Paul Gaultier, so yeah, nothing to say about that really. The next thing that we have is by Nails Inc London. It is a nail varnish, and it says be yourself, incredible. Yeah, okay, we get it. This is in the shade Portland Square, and this is lovely bright red shades. I think this come at just the right time with Christmas being right around the corner, if it's not cancelled. So yeah, so it says, fueled by charcoal, this Nails Inc polish helps promote the health of your nails and protects against environmental aggressors. This gorgeous red shade is perfect ahead of the festive season and brings an enviable shine to the nails. How to use: apply 2 coats of polish over your nails, leave them to dry completely between each application. Follow with your favourite top coat for long lasting glossy results. And the final product that we have, it's by a brand called Lord & Berry. I have heard of these. This is the Antique Bronze Eye Pencil. I mean, I'd say it's brown if I'm not completely blind. Doesn't look bronze at all, to be honest, but we'll just go with it for the sake of what they said. So it says the Lord & Berry Shade Glam Eye Pencil. You will have either got bronze or gold. I got bronze. It's brown. Spoiler alert. This pencil is comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment and incredibly long lasting. In a gorgeous gold or bronze shade to make your eyes pop, the fine point allows for precise application, whilst its creamy formula can be easily blended. How to use: using small strokes, draw along the upper and lower lash line, blend with finger or a small brush if desired. So that is everything that we got in our Lookfantastic box. Honestly, I'm not mad. I don't mind Lookfantastic boxes. I think I for sure will get use out of the eye pencil. I like a brown liner. I know it's saying it's bronze. It's brown. So I like a brown eyeliner. Nail varnish will definitely get use out of next month with it being the Christmas season. This fizz fighting gloss again definitely will get use out of. This one I will put away. I will use this at a later date when the world, like I said, is normal and we can go on night out. This would be perfect for a night out. And this I will give a try. I don't know if I will love it, I will be honest. I get nervous with new face products with my sensitive skin. I will give it a try, see how I get on with it, and if I don't like it, it'll find a new home. I'm sure my mum will use it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one below, the one at the sides of me, or you can wait until the end of this video and hit the one in the shape of my big face. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.